In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Apps. Then tap on Cloned Apps and use this plus next to the one that you wish to clone. Wait and go back. So now when I check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on bin icon next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!